How to watch NBC Live on Peacock. Open the Peacock website or app. Create a Peacock account with your email and password. Choose the Premium Plus plan during sign up. If you already have Premium, upgrade to Premium Plus in account settings. Enter your payment details and confirm the subscription. Log into Peacock on your preferred device. Allow the app or browser to access your location. Go to the channel section on the home screen. Scroll through the list of available live channels. Find the local NBC channel shown for your region. Click on the NBC channel to start streaming live. Wait a few seconds for the stream to load. Adjust video quality or captions if needed. Enjoy watching NBC Live anytime on Peacock. Thank you for watching.